Hey guys, happy Monday. We are back once again for another Stocks by Request, the top 4 stocks that you requested via social media. So, if you guys are new to this, my name is Marvin Germo. I'm a stock market trader, investor, and I have 5 books talking about the markets. If you want to know more about trading and investing, subscribe, like, share so you get updated every time I come up with new content about investing and about the market. So, if you're new, I also would like to say, guys, these are not stock tips, these are not stock picks, this is not me telling you what you're supposed to buy, but this is me giving you principles on how you can trade the markets using technical and fundamental analysis, but primarily in this channel talking about technical analysis so that you can trade with confidence. So get the principles, get the strategies, get how I analyze it, but don't just memorize the stocks. But I do hope it benefits you, but don't just get what we are talking about, get the logic and the principles behind it. So let's get into the thick of the action before we continue and before we push through with all of the stocks that I want to talk about, I want to share. I always do talk about the index. So this is where we left off from last week. I said that the stock went up above the resistance at the 5960 level, which it followed suit today. As you can see here, it followed a more optimistic scenario that it went above the 5960 support level. Now, 5960 now is the support. There's one thing though that I want you to watch out for, and it's still this downward trending slope that we have here. As you can see, the 2 circles here already, it's very, very evident that as of today still, this entire trend line is something worth watching. This entire trend line is something that you must watch out for, because if it does not break that trend line, guess what, guys? Selling could still prevail, because even if I zoom out here, it's still very evident that, hey, we are still in a massive, massive, massive downtrend that started late last year, and we still are not out of that yet. So here's what you can expect. Failure to break the downward trending line will put pressure again to the 5960 level. Same thing, 5960 level does not hold, we may see downward pressure back again here at the 560 level. But for this video, I want to talk about 4 stocks that have had significant movements also for the day. I'm talking about Globe. I'm talking about its competitor that's starting out, Dito. I'm also talking about 2 property companies, Ali and Meg. So totally diverse, totally different industries, and totally different models. As you all know, Globe has been crushing it in terms of earnings. Dito is trying to start to operate next year and grab a piece of the pie. Ali and Meg are good in terms of getting revenues from BPOs as as in terms of rental revenue, but their malls have also been hit. They're one of the biggest hit in terms of not a lot of people are going to malls right now, even though we are in GCQ. Either not everyone wants to really spend because their income has been hit, or in the same way, people are still scared to go out. So that being said, let's talk about this. By the way, this whole study that I'm doing, this is under the context of technical analysis. It's under the logic that everything you need to know is found in the charts. Technical analysis to me is everything. It allows me to trade the market, especially nung times na no, last year I would travel a lot. For the past, I guess, 7 years, I've been massively traveling. This using the charts would allow me to be able to still trade, because if you look at this, let's time Megaworld, it doesn't take a long amount of time for me to be able to study and to be able to analyze it. So this is where Megaworld is. As you can see, very, very evident looking at the 20-day moving average and looking at the 3 peso level. We saw it last week break out from it, and today it's continuing. You had a large move, large green candle from Megaworld showing whatever movement that happened last week is continuing. You have a short-term resistance here. You have another short-term resistance here. Please write this down. Short-term resistances, Megaworld 3.20. Short-term resistance 3.3. So those are possibilities that if Megaworld struggles over the next few days, it's because of those resistances. But the ultimate, not naman ultimate, sobrang ultimate, no, but the resistance you need to watch out for is the 3.45 level. And this also gives you the largest amount of upside because the margins from the 3 peso breakout is quite bigger. So let's see if it's worth the time for you to wait. So Breakout from 3 stays above 3. Larger next resistance to watch out for is 3.45, 3.46 level. But there's still resistances here at the 3.18 and also at the 3.28 level resistance. But please do note this also from the short term. No, this downward push because of the movement from last week was already broken. So that's where we are from Megaworld. Comment below if you're learning. Comment if this is helping you. Di ko alam bakit mas hyper ako today. I don't know eh. Kasi bukas ulit yung market. Ang saya. Tapos, this is being recorded past 6 p.m. around 7 p.m. US markets are about to open. I'm excited to see what's gonna happen there. Is it gonna go down? Is it gonna push up? And that's what's amazing about the markets. That's what's amazing about it. You get to pick, you get to see from where it is. You get to base everything from price action. And what's so interesting about US markets is, even if you're in the Philippines, because of the internet, you get to trade. Even if you're in the Philippines, US markets, you still get to watch it. And I've been sharing it over and over and over. Because of eToro, $50, you get to buy Amazon, Google, Facebook, link in the description if you want to buy US stocks for $50 only. Anyways, let's proceed. Ayala Land. Let's look at Ayala Land right now. I don't know, Ayala Land, Ayala Logistics, they have been crushing it over the past few hours. When I say crush it, they have been doing well. They have been earning more. But this is where Ayala Land is as of this point in time. Boom, 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 boom. So our current range to watch out for Ayala Land is 3.85. It broke past that, also confirmed by the 20-day moving average. Possible target for Ayala Land is 33.6. Failure to hold this level will again make it continue to retrace to the 26.7 level, which it hit last September 3. So as you can see, this is a very, very clear and legit candlestick confirmation reversal pattern. Large red candle, boom, hits the support. As it hits the support, indecision candle at the support level. Those who attended the Stocks Mark sessions, please remember this. Candlestick formations at the support level, then followed by a large bullish candle. Then hits the resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 days hovers here, but it broke out. So if the breakout will continue, 33.6 is your resistance. Breaks out from the 33.6 level. Next possible resistance is the 35.5 resistance level. So please take note of this. So number 1, 33.6. Next, 35.5. Failure to hold the 30.85 level. We could see the stock possibly retrace to the 26.8 level for the short term. So that's where we are for Ayala Land. And again, this is how it looks like in general. Guys, I have a question. Do you guys enjoy this channel? Do you want this to be distinct na separate pa rin? Kasi what I did is tinanggal ko na yung stocks by request dun sa first channel ko. And everything is consolidated here. If you guys are liking this and you want it to be here, comment, I want it here. Comment stocks by request. And we're gonna continue and we're gonna have it. We're gonna have this over the next few days or until gusto nyo pa rin. Anyways, kasi isa lang naman pangarap ko zoom in tayo para sabihin yun. Gusto ko, happy kayo. Di ko alam bakit masaya ako yung araw na to. But anyways, let's see. So we're done with Ali, we're done with Meg. Let's go to the telco space right now. Let's talk about Globe. For Globe, this is where it is. Globe looks, if you allow me to zoom out further, this is how it looks like, no? What do you see? It's a range that has been moving from this perspective. So from this, April 3, all the way to September, April to May, May to June, June to July, July to August, August to September. For the remaining 5 months, we've seen it just basically start to consolidate. So please write this down. 1967 support, 2265 resistance. Please also do write this down that it's trying to slope downward. No? So tomorrow, if we continue to see Globe push up here, then it will be on its way to the major, not naman major, but to the 5-month resistance here at the 2265 level. So again, if Globe goes beyond this line, there's a chance that Globe will push and attack the 2265 resistance level. Failure to do so and failure also to go above the 20-day moving average may just lead Globe back to the 1967 level. All because it's already moving sideways. And please remember, sideways markets are very, very good to trade because it's very somehow predictable. the support level, and the resistance level, it gives you a semblance of what are you supposed to do and how you're supposed to trade that. Anyways, the next one is brought to you by one of our Patreon community members. By the way, there's three ways for you if you want to reach me. Number one, slide a DM over Instagram at Marvin Germo. By the way, guys, sa Instagram, may mga scammers. Please make sure to check the Instagram account. It should be at Marvin Germo. I only have one account. If there's someone who says that this is my personal account, that's not true. I only have one account. Number two, check the followers. Pag wala silang followers, hindi ako yun, scammer yun. Okay? I'll show you an example of it. Someone sent me a screenshot of it. Thank you so much for sending the screenshot, no? This was sent by one of our subscribers also. So yung fake account, this one, the fake account is Marvin Germo 47. Tapos yung binibenta nila na item is they're offering a $500 to $4,200 training process. That's not me, guys. They're selling a bot account. They're selling a bot account. So this is what it basically is. So ingat lang kayo. Anything na binary bot or pag yung English medyo baroque or Tagalogin nyo pag medyo weird sila, hindi ako yon. Okay? My only Instagram account is at Marvin Germo. Anything else above that is not my account in Instagram. It's a scammer's account. Kasi nagets ko ng paano style nila. Their style to scam people is kukopyahin yung picture, kukopyahin similar yung pangalan. Pag may nag-PM, hindi na nila check yung profile eh. You will just assume that it's me. So guys, anytime na may medyo weird na merong humihingi ng pera or ako nag-initiate ng PM, normally yung modus operandi nila, yung style nila, pagka-follow nyo, try nyo, kung di nyo pa ako fina-follow sa Instagram, ito gawin nyo. Ginagawa nila, pagka-follow nyo sa Instagram, pa-follow nila kayo kagad, tapos i-message nila kayo. Yun ang scam nila. So that's not me. At Marvin Germo is my only Instagram account. Please make sure na yun yung nag-message sa inyo or yun yung mini-message nyo kasi kung hindi, that's a scammer. Again, it's a I'll make sure na tama yung mabasa ko, no? I think I posted it already. Sandali lang. Para at least clear tayo. Yung ino-offer nila na services is plus 500,000 tradingbot.com. So, ito yung modus operandi na trading bot. So, I'm not in any way, shape, or form connected to trading bot. Anyways, that is one way for you to message me. Second way, Patreon community. Link is in the description. Third is we started a YouTube community for those who want to support the channel. Thank you so much to everyone who has been supporting. Anyway, so this one is brought to you by our Patreon community. We have Dito. Okay, Dito has been talked about as much. Rightly so. It has moved also as much. Sorry, that's another Dito. There you go. Yeah. So this is where we left off. I'll just clean it. Or I won't clean it. Tanggalin ko na lang to. This. And this. And maybe this. Okay. What I said on the previous video was, or at the last time we analyzed it, is this is the current range for Dito. What's so interesting for Dito is the 3.5 resistance level, as you can see here, has been broken. And as it has been broken, the current possible target for it, if it's, please remember, it's under the condition that it has to stay above 3.5. If it stays above the 3.5 range, target price is 3.85. Fails to hold the 3.5 range, possible retracement will be either 3.2 or where the 20-day moving average is right now. So please write this down. For Dito, this 3.5 holds this level, target price will be 3.8. This does not hold, can retrace to the 20-day moving average or can go to as low as 3.20. So if you notice it, what's so amazing about technical analysis is you get to analyze the charts in a very, very fast way. You get to do it in a way that, hindi ko na yata kailangan mag-check ng rumors eh. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-speculate kasi everything I need to know is found in the charts. So there, based on what we talked about, Dito, buy or avoid, Ali, buy or avoid, Meg, buy or avoid, Globe, buy or avoid. What are you doing? Comment below. I want to know your ideas. I want to know your thoughts. I want to know more about what you plan to do over the next few days. And if you guys have other stocks that you guys want me to analyze, put them in the comment section, or again, slide a DM in my real account at Marvin Germo, or send a message via Patreon or via our YouTube community. So I guess that's it for now. Books are down below. Playlists are down below in the description if you want to know more about the videos that I created. 2 channels at Marvin Gerbo, 1,600 videos there. Dito parang awan nyo na wala nagsusubscribe. Please subscribe, smash the bell so you get updated every time I come up with new content. So by the way, hindi ko alam bakit ako ganito ka-active. Probably napadami yung kape ko, I guess. So that's it for now. If ayaw nyo yung ganito ka-hyper, comment below, Marvin, tigil mo na yan, tigil mo na yan, tigil mo na yan. But I guess that's it. I hope this video helps you. By the way, in my main channel, the next video might be a bit late. We had some technical difficulties. I'm sorry, but it's coming soon. So maybe 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock either. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great week ahead, and I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.